Hey, good afternoon, everyone. So we had a little breakout. Finally, the ES came to life. It had been divergent from the NQ most of the day. Finally got up to the daily one and then broke it. So we popped the stops on the daily one, and the all-time high is up here though at 6285.25. So we have to get above 6285 to get a new all-time high. And that's another 10 points. And its market just closed 3 o'clock. So we have another hour to get up there. The after hour, which is rarely used unless there's earnings or something like that. But the word, from Capitol Hill did not come down today that the big beauty wasn't passed. So I'm not sure what's going to happen. Maybe they've gotten an indication that it's coming. That's why it's moving higher before the press gets it. So that's maybe we should be expecting an announcement. So the market is trying to get up there. Crude broke out an upside skew. Let me show you this. Today it got to the weekly one, 7-day one, but the monthlies are sitting right on top of it. So it made it up to the weekly levels and 68.21, 68.36 to the upside from 73, 67.73 to 68.36, really. But that was a nice unexpected move on crude. You can see we had been stuck inside the ones all week long and then got that late break. And once those stops were popped right here, it got one good 60-minute bull bar, and we're retracing off that. So they're almost out of room on crude. Bitcoin got up to 1.25% of the range today, held it most of the trade session, but it did get up there. And weekly twos and monthly ones are still ahead. Plenty of upside room left. And the quarterly ones way up there. So there's definitely upside potential here for these markets. Nice move out, breakout. MicroStrategy brought a lot of Bitcoin the other day, as well as BlackRock. So we had some big purchases showing that demand. So VIX very much muted, and it had one little try early in the session. Hit the R-ball 3, not even hit it, just they sold it off before it got up there. So guess that's a V top, right? 15-minute V top. And the SPX got up to daily 2. Plenty of room on the weekly. The monthly is a little bit more crowded. You got a 3 sitting right here. Let's see, what is this? 37-day. So this is one of my VIX levels. 37-day 3. So let's see if that does anything with this monthly 2. 62.35, 62.42. If it can get past that little resistance level, then straight up to the 79.82, 63.17 level. Wide open on the 6,300 for the quarterly. NQ flattened out like a pancake, had a nice initial push in the RTH session, got up to this 1 hour IB1 and flatlined. Zipper all day and just broke it. But case of a little too late at the end of the day. So, waiting for, the bill to pass and the market will take out those highs. And we'll see what happens after that point. We are in July. We have basically gone vertical since April. um, Parabolic, actually, almost. So, quite a move. Um, and we're running into some quarterly twos here also, which is 68% of the quarterly range, and we're brand new into this range. Uh, these must be 90-day R balls. Yep, 90-day R balls. So these are just one period ranges, but can provide that inflection area that the market wants. We get a new, well, that's even before the all-time high, isn't it? That's underneath it. That would be a cruelty. So 64.75 is the HFall one. So this is really where I was looking at 100 points above the all-time high, almost 100 points. So all right, so that's about it for today. Was hoping, like I said, to get the bill signed, but I guess that didn't happen. They must be closed because the market started taking off like it was going to happen. So maybe some things are leaking. We'll see. Gold is still trying to climb right now, stuck on its daily one, trying hard to break it. They still have that pin sitting here on this daily one. Monthly one at 33.83 and 33.91. And okay, we're sitting. We found my. This is the 90-day level that I have been pointing to for a while. That's my H fall, 90-day H fall. So once they clear this, then it'll be wide spaces. We have been sitting on our pin, our 90-day H fall pin, and it looks like they're trying to clear it right now. 69.5. Yep, they're trying hard. They are trying hard to break it. All right, right here. So that's it for the report. Hope to have some better news for you tomorrow. Um, did get some good price action in crude and in NQ earlier. So I know there was a lot of happy traders out there. The ES was a little bit more messy, but very stable in its ascent for that new record all-time high. And NQ's closing on new all-time highs. So there you go. Hope y'all have a great night. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow.